I would at the outset like to convey my regards to the Executive Board of UNOPS, UNDP and UNFPA for organizing this event. Together with other agencies of the United Nations, UNOPS plays a crucial role in strengthening management and implementation capabilities of partner governments through its expertise in infrastructure, procurement, and project management. I have been impressed with the tailored and specialized approach that UNOPS has adopted in India to provide technical and financial assistance. I support its strategic plan for 2022-2025, wherein it sets a mandate for supporting partner governments in developing requisite capacities and enabling partnerships through its project expertise. In particular, I would like to highlight its Sustainable Investments in Infrastructure and Innovation Initiative, or S3I, which is helping develop sustainable solutions for affordable housing. I am delighted that S3I has signed agreements with some of the state governments in India to build affordable homes through highly advanced building technologies and the provision of mortgages at reduced rates. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Housing for All program is a classic example of the paradigm shift that has taken place after May 2014. Since 2014, the Indian government has unleashed the most comprehensive planned urbanization program undertaken anywhere in the world. The Housing for All program is an example of this vision. It has seen unprecedented success, with all state governments coming together in partnership with the central government to not just meet the assessed demand for housing but exceed it. The Housing for All program is targeted at the vulnerable sections of society. It has a cafeteria approach, allowing state governments to choose from among 4 verticals comprising an affordable mass housing component, an in situ slum redevelopment component, a beneficiary-led construction component, and an interest subsidy component on bank housing loans. Even in the middle of the pandemic, the Indian government demonstrated its adaptiveness by coming up with a sub-scheme under the HFA for affordable rental housing complexes to mitigate the effects of reverse migration, especially of the vulnerable sections. The Housing for All program has also harnessed innovation through the Global Housing Technology Challenge that was launched in 2019, bringing in the best construction technologies worldwide for building houses economically and efficiently. The Government of India has recently come up with a landmark model tenancy law that is expected to unshackle the rental housing market, bringing about a balanced tenant-landlord regime with a written agreement that balances the interest of both stakeholders. UNOPS is a vital and valuable partner in India's journey towards sustainable economic growth, and I do hope that this mutually beneficial partnership will further be scaled up. I invite the Executive Board to utilize its expertise in developing more projects in India. I look forward to the deliberations in this second regular session of the Executive Board and the key decisions regarding UNOPS's partnership with India. I thank you.